उदय प्रकाश की कविता रात में छूट गया हारमोनियम। मैं हारमोनियम रात के भीतर बजा रहा था। गाना जो था वह अंधेरे में इतनी दूर तक जाता था कि मैं देख नहीं पाता था। फिर एक पतली सी दरार मुझे दिखी। मैं उसमें घुस गया और अंधेरे की दो परतों के बीच नींद में डूबे पानी जैसा दूर तक दौड़ने लगा। वहां 20 साल से एक लड़की थी जो बिना कभी दिखे सोती जा रही थी। वह जागी तो नहीं, लेकिन नींद में ही हंसी। अंधेरे में गाना था और पानी जैसा जो बह रहा था वह मैं था। फिर तो मैं भी हंसने लगा रात में ही, अंधेरे में छुपा हुआ। एक मोटा अधेड़ उम्र का आदमी साईं बाबा की फोटो के पीछे पिस्ता खा रहा था। उसने बंदूक से मुझे डराया, यूं आंखें फाड़कर और मुंह को यूं यूं करके। वह तो बाप निकला लड़की का जो गुस्से में था और सो भी नहीं रहा था 20 साल से लड़की के सपनों की पहरेदारी में। मैं क्या करता? ढप से कुटकर बाहर निकल आया और उजाले में डरावने आदमी से नमस्ते करने लगा। लेकिन मेरा हारमोनियम तो रात में ही रह गया था, बहुत पीछे, और वह बज रहा था। और लड़की हंसे क्यों जा रही थी, यह कहना मुश्किल था। धन्यवाद। As I am provided a very short limit of time to analyze my play, I have written my analysis here, and I will just read. And I have chosen to play Ashar Ka Ek Din by Mohan Rakesh. Ashar Ka Ek Din, written by Mohan Rakesh, is considered to be the first modern Hindi play which contains 3 acts. The play basically describes the lives of Ambika, Mallika, Kalidas, and Vilom. In the very first act, we get to know with Ambika's daughter Mallika, Kalidas is romantically attached, and Kalidas's caretaker Matul comes to Mallika to give a message that King Chandragupta was impressed by Kalidas's Ritu Shanghar and invited to be the royal poet Raj Kavi in his court. At that nice moment, Mallika persuades and encourages uh, to her loved Kalidas to receive the honor to come, but Kali was suffering an inner conflict regarding his idyllic existence, love, and the desire to achieve greatness. Finally, he leaves for Vijayani with a conflicted mind. Mallika was very happy for him. In the second act, we get to know that Kalidas achieved fame and got position to rule over Kashmir under the Gupta Empire, and he was also married there to a sophisticated noblewoman who was Priyangu Manjari, the princess of Ujjaini. Once Priyangu Manjari, with negligence, offered Mallika to help by making her a loyal companion and making her to one of the royal and marrying her to one of the royal attendants, but Mallika refused to accept that. Yes. In the third act, a lot of changes took its place. We get to see a psychological change in Mallika. Suddenly she heard the sound of opening a door, and there was Kalidas. He was also changed a lot. Till then, Kali had renounced his all governorship from Gupta Empire, which Mallika learns from him, and he came back to Mallika. But he got wondered by listening a baby's crying, which was Mallika's present, and the father was no one else than Vilong, who once adopted Kali and Mallika about their attachment. Remorse in this act. They remorse in this act pronounces that time never waits for anyone. Kali wished to start over their life from the end, but time was changed a lot. Kali departs Mallika's house, and Mallika fades, thinking that Kali had renounced his all position and governorship. Thank you. All the videos that have been uploaded they are my original work. I accept it. Thank you.